Welcome to Kitengela International School, Girls High School, where we nurture tomorrow's women's leaders. At Kitengela International School, we provide an all-rounded education that fosters academic excellence, personal growth, and leadership. Our Girls High School is a safe and supportive environment where students are empowered to achieve their highest potential. We offer a robust curriculum tailored to the unique needs of young women, complemented by modern facilities that inspire both learning and creativity. From our state-of-the-art science, ICT labs to our fully equipped art rooms and swimming pool, every aspect of our school is designed to enhance the learning experience. Our experienced and caring teachers are always available to guide our students on their academic journey while nurturing their confidence, independence, and leadership skills. Kitengela International School, Girls High School also offers a wide range of extracurricular activities from sports to music and debate, ensuring that our girls are well prepared for life beyond the classroom. Join us at Kitengela International School, Girls High School, and give your daughter the gift of an excellent education in an environment where she can grow, thrive, and lead. Kitengela International School, empowering young women for a brighter future.